Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this channel you learn Igbo language with Adigbo. Learn Igbo language with Adigbo. Iburu nwati Igbo sụba asụsụ Igbo, Igbo amaka. Iburu nwati Igbo sụba asụsụ Igbo, Igbo amaka. I love you and I love Igbo language. If today is your first time of encountering this video, please subscribe to this channel. Let's learn Igbo language together. And do not forget to like, comment, and share with your family and loved ones who wants to learn Igbo language. You are welcome. In today's study, I'm going to teach you Igbo alphabets. Igbo alphabets. That is ABD Igbo. I know you will love to learn it. So let's go there. A, anya. A, anya. B, obi. B, obi. Ch, oche. Ch, oche. D, ede. D, ede. E, eku. Eku. A, B, C, D, E. Eku. Fe. Fe. Efere. Efere. Ge. Gari. Ge. Gari. Bwe. I forgot to tell you that Igbo alphabets are 36 in number. They are 36 in number. And we have the ones that are combined. They have two in one alphabet. Like Bwe is G and B, but they sound one. Bwe. Obo. Obo. I hope you're understanding it. Bwe, G and B. Bwe, Obo. Re. Re, Ara. We, awo. These three has two combined in one alphabet, but they sound one. We, awo. I hope you're getting it. Yeah. Do not forget to draw me in the comment section in any points you don't. I will attend to you. Okay? So let's proceed. Ha, hammer. Ha, hammer. I, imi. Imi. E, eba. E, eba. I hope you're following. That is Igbo alphabet for you. Alright? G. 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 Ke. Ke. Aka. Aka. Smile a little and breathe in. Let's continue. Okay? Then P. P. Aba. It's also two, K and P. P. Aba. Kwe. Two, K and W. Kwe. Akwụkwọ. School. Akwụkwọ. Le. Ụlọ. Ụlọ. Me. Mma. Me. Mma. Ne. Ne. Ntị. Ntị. Alright? Ne. Nye. Aṅara. Aṅara. Nwe. These two, N and W. Nwa. Nwe. Nwa. Nwe. Nwa. Nye. Nye. Ịnyịnya. There's also two, N and the Y. Ịnyịnya. Nye. Ịnyịnya. O. Osisi. O. Ọka. After O. O. Ọka. Alright. P. Papa. P. Papa. Re. Eri. Nri. ri, nri. Okay, si, isi, sh, ashiri, that's gossip, ashiri, ti, ite. Okay, breathe in again. Let's start. That is Igbo alphabet. Ti, ite. U, ube. U, udara. Udara. All right, just gradually breathe in again. Let's start so that you learn it gradually. U, that's you, then spot under. Udara, that's like apple. Okay, V, mvo, that's your nails. Mvo, nails. Mvo. Okay, yeah. Then wu, ewu, ye, oyo. It's one of the musical instruments. Oyo. Then z, aziza. So these are the Igbo alphabets. Like I said earlier, they're 36 in number, and we have 6 combined that had 2 alphabets in one but sounds one. I said it, we, ngi, we. They have combined letters in one, so there are 6 in number like that. So these are the Igbo alphabets. Let's recite it again so that you get to understand. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, G, G, H, I, J, K. Am I fast? So that you will learn it, Be, we, le, me, ne, nye, mwe, nye, o, pe, re, se, she, te, u, right? U, v, wu, ye, z. Okay, yeah, just follow the sound gradually. You will learn it. It is unlike English alphabet that has 26 in number. This is 36 in number. Thank you for watching this channel, and keep learning Igbo language with Adigo. Subscribe to this channel, share, like, and comment, and let's learn Igbo language together. Thank you for watching, and keep watching this channel. Bye. Kemesia.